latest and greatest inventions from a panel of judges. This year's competition is Masters of Flight! Master builders are challenged to leave the safety of the ground for the joy of the skies. The creator of the most inventive and effective invention be declared the Master Builder. It's gonna be awesome. Before we begin, I'd like to ask you all to notice the number you're standing on.
I know,
Make a mental note of it because I won't remember. Here you go. Yeah, that's it. Just finding our numbers. Okay, have you got it? Good. Okay, now the reason you will need this number is that you will use the same number when you get the chance to board one of the Master Builder's inventions. It's crazy, right? You're gonna get to fly around Cloud Cuckoo Land. This is only possible because one Master Builder just so happened to design something large enough to fit all of you. Okay, spoiler alert, it was me. The best part is, it's right behind me, under this curtain. Something that's so amazing can only be described as awesome. Actually, it's better than that. It's awesomer! Which is slightly more awesome than awesome. Without further ado, I present to you the triple-decker flying couch. Now, I will acknowledge it bears some striking similarities to the double-decker couch, but this one is totally different. As you can see, it has 3 levels, which is one more than 2. Also, it flies. That's super useful. Let's say you're hanging out with some friends and you want to change locations, but nobody feels like moving their butt off the couch. Boom! This can do that. As your pilot today, I am responsible for showing you how to ride this. That seemed like a lot of work, so I produced a video instead to inform you of important safety announcements. Okay, roll the video.
Tonight on Where Are My Pants? Honey, where are my pants?
It's one of my favorite episodes. Man, never gets old. It is, however, not super relevant. Here we go.
For the enjoyment and safety of all our guests, we ask that you please follow the attendant. Stow bags and loose clothing in compartments on the rear wall. If you have loose-fitting shoes, such as slip-offs or sandals, please remove them and leave in the designated area. The number you are standing on is your seat number for your flight, so please find that number and take your seat. Please fasten your seatbelts by inserting them in the buckle on your left.
Hold on.
Here we go. You are now ready to go. Sit back and enjoy your flight.
Hey everyone, Emmett here. Please be aware that we are about to present the triple-decker flying couch for the first time to an assembly of master builders. They may be unable to control this. Fellow master builders, I present to you my latest invention, the triple-decker flying couch.
Is everyone ready? Let the competition begin!
Let's go!
I should point out that this is my first time flying. Also, this will be the first time this vehicle has been tested in flight, so there may be some turbulence. Sorry!
I'm saving you, not candy!
Sorry about that!
I'm saving you, not candy!
Hey! We're flying! And we're falling! Cool adventure, but it's not as cool as my spaceship! Go, go! Unity, the two forward back! Okay, we're all fine.
Rebuilding this place!
We're eating a Cloud Cuckoo Land! Oh, this is bad!
Emmett, get these people out of here!
Oh, I should have had laser cannons instead of more cup holders! Hang on! Oh, sweet, we made it!
Whoa! Dragon!
What do you think? You want to play? Let's play.
This is Red Dragon. We're going in.
You must get the guests to safety. Head for that cave.
What game?
Oh,
Hang on, everyone! Finally, a serene, peaceful setting.
Dolphins. You can hold my hand if you're scared.
Metal Beard. I know the guy.
We be battling terrible enemies! Metal kids! Get away! Get off me, ship!
I see you, Metal Beard.
May you have smooth sailing ahead, matey!
Scan. Big pop.
Asteroid! Aha! We made it! Whoa! That was the coolest thing I've ever seen! Oh no! Too low! Don't worry! I got this! You've got us in the tractor beam! Here, take my hyperdrive! Let's get out of here! Awesome, Benny! Right out! Oh no! Why are we stopping? I think you're trying to help. Let's make it awesomer! Hey! We made it! That was awesome!
We have voted, and the winning invention is the triple-decker couch.
Oh, really?
Everything awesome. Everything is free. Also interrupt the singing of that song since we just managed to get it out of our heads. Oh.
Congratulations, Emmett. You did it.
We did it. Thanks for everything, Master Builders. And remember, your role is what you make it. Build something incredible.